Well, after all that, it still won't start. I've got a good carburetor, I've got spark, so I've got air. Is my engine bad? The engine block from when it locked up the other day. I've got a replacement, mostly the same, got a little minor differences. This one's from supposed to be for a 95 or 96, but the block is the exact same model number, a short block 1034. Kind of have eliminated some things out that thought might be issues. Turns out they're not. Then I guess I can do some even further cleaning, taking it apart even more. Those are all a bit loose, but that shouldn't have kept it from starting. So I would say, if I get this thing running, come next spring, it should pretty well be serviced. Hopefully this is my biggie for this year. I would imagine that would just simply unscrew. Got it. Well, I'm continuing on disassembly. Here's what we're looking like. Doesn't look horrible. Don't know, doesn't look great. I wouldn't think it would be enough to keep it from running. All in all, not in bad shape. There's the exhaust, which is not clogged up in the least. I'm a bit at a loss here as to what happened to this. Well, I am making a little bit of progress. I've got the piston swapped out, and now I'm going to put the cylinder on. Well, I'm continuing to plug away at this, and again, this is not a how-to on a engine rebuild or anything, because I really don't know what I'm doing. Don't have a service manual or anything, but just going through and doing the best I can, reassembling, changing gaskets as I go. My cylinder and piston were in pretty rough shape, so I had a new old stock set and put those in. That went pretty smoothly. And we might have a bit more friction there for the compression. We'll see. It's going to work or it's not. Kind of getting in the home stretch of things here a little bit. I have found a lot of loose screws. So I don't know if that had anything to do with the low compression and things just not getting enough this or that, air or fuel, or too much air and not enough fuel for this thing to fire off. Don't think I'm going to get to the point this evening where I'm going to try to start this again. That might be tomorrow. But I really do need the edge, so I've got to get this thing going again. I was just going to go ahead and change the whole short block, but the threads were backwards on the crankshaft. Couldn't thread the recoil mechanism on there. So just doing the best I can. Got to swap over the coil next, and hopefully that's just going to be straightforward. But I have also replaced the clutch while I've got it apart. I don't think it needed it, but why not? And that's not the right size. And that's too big, so yet another hurdle to overcome. We'll be right back. See if it likes this one better. Yep. Now what size is this? It's got no markings on it. Got them both broken free. Looks like this might just be fixed position. And again, I probably wouldn't go through this effort if this didn't belong to my late grandfather, but I would like to get it going. Sure those are good and tight. That should work. Looks like we're good there.